Do you guys want to go to the canteen?
Yes, I do. I can go for eat or for a drink.
This is a compound sentence. It consists of two independent clauses. I can go for a meal and I can go for a drink. They are joined by the coordinating conjunction or. Each clause has its own subject and verb and both can stand alone.
But I'm not hungry because I don't have an appetite. But I can take along.
A compound complex sentence is the most sophisticated sentence type because it combines two structural logic patterns. To qualify as compound complex, a sentence must have at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. In the example, the first independent clause is I'm not hungry and the second independent clause is I can take along. And the dependent clause is because I don't have an appetite.
Then we can go after this class.
This is a simple sentence because it has only one independent clause. There is a subject we and a predicate can go after this class. It expresses a complete thought and there are no dependent clauses or conjunctions joining two clauses. How about the after the class? It's just prepositional phrase.
What do you want to eat?
Whatever you buy, I will buy the same. This is a complex sentence. It consists of one independent clause, I will buy the same, and one dependent clause, whatever you want to buy. The dependent clause starts with whatever and cannot stand alone as a complete talk. Together, they make a complex sentence.
I wanna buy nasi goreng that added with sausage.
And I just want to buy a glass of oranges.
I don't know what I want.
Noun clause. I don't know what I want. The noun clause here is what I want. It functions as the direct object of the verb know. Because of this, vowel clause acts like a noun. We call it a noun clause. It is introduced by the word what.
If they have nasi pecel, guess I will order that.
What is nasi pecel anyway?
It's the rice which has boiled vegetable dressed with peanut sauce. This bakul rames, whose specialty is nasi pecel, is affordable.
Adjective clause. Adjective clause is a type of a dependent clause that modifies a noun. Usually begin with the relative pronoun. Depends on the type of noun. Adjective clauses need subject and verb and have to connect it with independent clause. There are two types of adjective clause, defining and non-defining adjective clause. Defining adjective clause do not require commas because they are necessary to understand an unspecific subject, while non-defining adjective clause require commas because they are additional information to an already specific subject, and also can use relative pronoun that.
Wow, you are eating so fast, like burn it before you carrots.
You need to eat slowly so you don't get choked.
An adverbial clause is a dependent clause that functions like an adverb by modifying the main verb to explain why, how, when, or under what condition an action happened. In the example, you need to eat slowly so that you don't choke. The phrase starting with so that acts as Adverbial clause of purpose. It tells us the specific reason behind the requirement to it slowly. It cannot stand alone as a full sentence, but it adds vital context by linking a result to an action through the subordinating conjunction, so that.
Do you eat like this wherever you are?
No, I'm not.
Tidak.